up, guys? Today we're doing a cute date night look. I think this is the palette CIATE. I think I think I got it in like one of my Ipsy boxes or BoxyCharm boxes, and the vision I had, it did not turn out right, guys. Like, it did not come out right at all. I was so nervous to make this look, and the way that I seen it in my head is not how it came out on my eyes. So yeah, like I really was ready to start all the way over, but you know what, I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna keep pushing, and this look actually came out a little bit better than what I thought it would. Cause y'all, I was ready to say, you know what, I'm gonna start a whole new look. But this date night look actually came out really cute. I got a lot of compliments on it, and you know, if you just put your faith in God and keep trusting yourself and keep believing in yourself, put your mind to it, you guys, you can do anything, you know. And you do it scared, you do it when you're tired. I literally was tired of this video, but you know what, I was like, I'm gonna do this look. It may not come out how I want it to look, but I'm gonna still put in that effort. And it's giving. Like, the look is definitely giving. Like, I really enjoyed doing it, and it came together so well. Like, I can't believe it. The makeup came out flawless. And it's funny because I really thought this look was gonna be a fail, and it wasn't. It came out pretty. Skin was flawless. I think I could have did better on the cut crease, but with the highlighter, the mascara, the lashes, the wing is what gives it like glam, top glam, and just a nude lip to pull it off with that hint of highlight. The hint of highlight, oh my goodness, like, it just brought everything together, guys. Oh my goodness, like, I just love it. Love it, love it, love it. And this is a finished product, guys. Let me know what you guys thought in the comment down below. Bye.
Baby girl, you are so pretty, pretty.